Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership. That matters. Once you have the username, open the Snapchat app and tap Forgot Password. Choose email or phone recovery depending on what's linked. If you pick email, check the inbox and spam for a code. If phone, expect an SMS with a numeric code. Make sure your device can receive texts or access the email account, because without that verification you cannot proceed, so resolve any inbox access first. After entering the verification code, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Do it right away. Choose a unique, strong password of at least 12 characters that mixes upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols. Avoid reuse. Once reset, immediately sign out other devices from account settings and review recent login activity to spot unauthorized access. If you use a password manager, update the entry now and make sure Snapchat's email address for recovery. Finish by strengthening account defenses. Enable two-factor authentication for Snapchat and for the linked email. This prevents easy re-entry. Update recovery contact details and change any passwords you reused elsewhere so one compromise won't spread. If you cannot access the recovery email or phone, or if verification codes fail, use Snapchat's Help Center to file a recovery request. Provide proof of ownership like account creation details. As a troubleshooting tip, check filters like SMS blocking or email forwarding that can silently intercept codes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.